Hello, beautiful people. Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. This is Sudeshna Maharzan, your girl, again coming to meet you all. So, આજको यो video is something different because I am collaborating with Brillare Nepal. I'm really excited because they sent me some PR packages and this is it. So Missisa चाहिँ उहाँहरूको आफ्नै ब्रान्ड छ एन्ड उहाँहरूले चाहिँ few productsहरू पठाउनु भएको छ. So let's see उहाँहरूले के पठाउनु भएको छ भनेर. Okay, we have this note. Thank you for choosing to participate in this campaign with Brillare Nepal. We can't wait to embark on this journey together and witness the incredible impact we will create. So thank you so much Brillare Nepal. उहाँहरूले चाहिँ कुन प्रडक्ट पठाउनु भएको छ यहाँ डिस्क्रिप्सन पनि राख्नु भएको रहेछ अनि कुन प्रडक्टको के बेनिफिट्स छ त्यो पनि राख्नु भएको छ. सो गुड किनकि अब दिस इज माई फर्स्ट टाइम ट्राइङ दिस प्रडक्ट्स हैन अनि मलाई थाहा छैन उहाँहरूको प्रडक्टको डिटेलमा अनि उहाँहरूले चाहिँ यसरी प्रडक्टको यहाँ यसरी राख्नु भएको रहेछ बेनिफिट्सहरू. सो द्याट्स रियली ग्रेट. सो लेट्स सी के पठाउनु भएको छ भनेर. So yeah, first we have, look how cute is this. First we have this heavy moisturizing shampoo. This is their shampoo which has avocado and sugar cane, and I think this is wheat, right? Oh, nice. All naturals. Yeah, 86% natural ingredient, right? So 86% natural shampoo with avocado, wheat and sugar cane for dry hair and scalp, which is good for me because I have dry hair, dry face, dry scalp. So this is so good for me. अनि मैले कति थोरै रिसर्च गरेको थिएँ ब्रिलेयरको बारे अनि yeah, these are all natural products and cruelty free vegan products भनेर मैले देखेको थिएँ अनि उहाँहरूको जुन चाहिँ इन्ग्रेडियन्टहरू पनि थियो नि त्यो पनि एकदमै नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्सहरू थियो के. सो आई एम रियली ह्याप्पी द्याट Brillare Nepal sent me these products and I am so excited to try these in my hair, in my scalp. So I'm really excited. So benefitsहरू पनि हेरिहालौँ. Hair fall control shampoo is a comprehensive solution for stronger hair and scalp. This protein and peptide rich, okay, it has peptide, okay. This protein and peptide rich shampoo gives you energized hair roots and healthy hair shafts to prevent breakage and control your hair fall. Then I need this so much. I need this more than anything because आजकल I don't know मेरो कपाल झरे हुन्छ. I don't know. Is it because of weather कि त्यो हेलमेट लाएर घुम्नु पर्ने भएर हो कि I don't know तर मेरो कपाल hair fall हुन्छ. So let's see. I will do a review video as well. आज त हाम्रो PR unboxing PR package video थियो त हैन अनि I'll do a review video soon after using all these products. And guess what? All the products are cruelty free and vegan. Oh my god, that's super. So अर्को के छ हेरौँ है. अर्को छ Brillare tea tree oil. This is tea tree oil and it has 5% tea tree, 3% lemon, 2% neem, 85% sunflower and 5% all natural base. So it is 100% natural ingredients. No added water, no chemicals, no preservation for itchy, flaky, dandruff prone scalp. So 100% natural. Oh god. I am a sucker for natural products. I really love natural products. कहिलेकाहीँ त म आफै पनि DIY गर्दै natural productsहरू लाइरहेको हुन्छु because I prefer more natural products. And the main thing is this is like cruelty free, vegan and oh my god, I love you guys. So अर्को एउटा पनि products छ. We have heavy moisturizing mask. This has also wheat, sugarcane and avocado, which means कि यो युज गरेपछि यो युज गर्दाखेरि I think it will give more better result. And this is also 89% natural ingredients and it has no sulfate, no paraben, no formaldehyde, no mineral oil, no petroleum wax, no artificial color and animal cruelty free. That is really good. So I'm really excited to try these products. तीनटा products पठाउनु भएको छ and which is very good for my dry skin and dry scalp, dry skin, dry hair and dry scalp. मेरो चाहिँ एकदमै ड्राई छ नि त अनि म प्रडक्टहरु चाहिँ सकेसम्म यस्तो मेरो लागि मोइस्चर दिनेवाला प्रडक्टहरु खोजिरहेको हुन्छु अनि मेरो यो कपाल चाहिँ एकदमै कलर लगाएपछि चाहिँ एकदमै ड्यामेज भएको छ है अहिले त्यो मैले पहिला ब्लिच गरेको थिए इफ यु गाइज रिमेम्बर अर नट मैले कपाल चाहिँ ब्लिच गरेको थिए अनि त्यो पछि चाहिँ झन् कपालहरु ड्यामेज हुने टुक्रिने अनि ड्राई फ्रिजी हुने भएको छ एन्ड आई रियली होप कि दिस प्रोडक्ट्स विल डु देयर म्याजिक इन माई हेयर. So my hair and my scalp is really dry, so I'm very excited to try these. So मेरो अब next shampoo day मा चाहिँ I'm gonna try this. Next shampoo day भनेर सोध्नु होला. म चाहिँ एक दिन या दुई दिन बिराएर shampoo गरेर आएको हुन्छु किनभने धेरै shampoo गर्नु हुँदैन किनकि कपाल झर्न सक्छ. So टाइम मिलाएर चाहिँ मैले shampoo day मैले छुटाइराखेको छु. सो आई थिंक म भोलि यो ट्राई गर्छु होला अनि फ्यु टाइम ट्राई गरेपछि I'll make a review video as well and I'm really excited to try these and thank you so much Brillare Nepal and thank you Misisa and whole team for sending me this PR package. I can't wait to try this and thank you so much for watching this video as well. म तपाईहरुलाई भन्ने छु कि यो प्रडक्टहरुले कस्तो काम गरिरहेछ भनेर भन्ने छु. I am 100% sure कि it's gonna do good किनकि मैले कति धेरै रिभ्युज भिडियोहरु पनि हेरिरहेको थिएँ and main thing is this is all natural 100% natural productsहरु छ अनि most of the I think these two are 89% natural ingredients and this is 100% natural हैन 100% 100% natural ingredients छ यसमा. So I am very excited to try this. So thank you for watching till the end. I hope you will be sticking again because I'll be posting यसको review video very soon. Till then, stay safe, take care and